students, welcome to the topic of cutting square thread internal. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to grind the internal square tool to the required width, cut the internal square thread.
Materials and equipment. Tap or thread mill. Tap and dies. Lead screw or thread chasing. Mechanism. Single point cutting tool for lathe. Thread milling for milling machine. Precision measuring tools. Cutting fluids lubricants. Process. Hold the job in a four-jaw chuck, true and face one end. Center drilling. Drill diameter 18 mm through hole. Bore the drilled hole to the size of the core diameter 23 mm. Set the internal square threading tool to correct center height. Cut the thread length of 40 mm. Reverse the job and fix the end and maintain total length of 40 mm. Diamond knurl to a maximum length. Chamfer to by 45 degrees at both ends.
In this video, we learn about how to grind the internal square tool to required width and how to cut the internal square thread. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.